Starting the recording. So, the agenda for today, SAP NetWeaver administration. So, what is this NetWeaver first of all? Normal, we will call it as the Java stack and ABAP stack. So, SAP NetWeaver, normally we discussed it as a ABAP stack, right? ABAP level logging to the SAP systems, login to the SAP systems, then using the SAP logon pad, then we work there, right? So here for Java stack systems, this is called the Java stack, which means in the NetWeaver, we have the two stacks here. One is the ABAP stack, ABAP systems, then Java stack, Java coding, Java stack. So Java stack is for the, so there are the multiple components here. Java stack, we will use it in the portal, SAP portal, and the PI and the PO systems, right? And some other areas like BPM, and some other areas. So we will use the, so then Java stack systems here in the organization. How the ABAP stack is important, for same way the Java stack also very important for the customers here. Java stack also very important for the customers here. For ABAP stack, normally we will use the, so SAP logon pad, we will to log into the SAP logon pad, we will use the to log into the ABAP stack systems. ABAP stack systems, either ECC or so NetWeaver ABAP stack, S4 HANA, or Fiori, or CRM, or SRM, or any products we will use. These all are the ABAP stack systems, we will use it. For Java stack systems, we have here we have to use the, so browsers, browser-based URLs. Java stack systems are the URLs here. So browsers, normally we will use the browsers here. Why? Because we have to open the URL. To launch the, to log into the Java stack systems, we have to use the URL. So we have to open the web-based URL. There we will open the Java stack systems here for Java stack systems here, right? So normally NetWeaver is a technology platform. NetWeaver is a technology platform that allows organizations to integrate the data, either ABAP stack or Java stack. It's a technology platform. So that will allows the companies, the customer organizations to integrate their business data, business process elements, moving the data to the other SAP environments or some other non-party, third party. So here NetWeaver is a foundation for the number of SAP application. It's a foundation platform. It's a foundation. Any SAP for technology, either BPM, PI, PO, portal, ABAP, ACC, S4 and CRM, NetWeaver is the foundation. It's a form of the technical foundation for the n number of SAP application. NetWeaver is the foundation. It's a main. So it's a technology platform here. In that, Java stack is the, which we will integrate to the backend ABAP systems. So that, why? Because only few customers, they will log into the ABAP, few users or end users, they will log into the through SAP logon pad, some other ways they will log in. But most of the people will use the browser based only, right? In the browser level, they will open the my shopping cart, some other like www.iamazon.com or apps, we will open it, we will do the business, right? Same way, here also most of the people will use the URLs only here. It's a software stack. It's the same, say SAP related product only. It's a software stack here. So coming to the how to access. So first, what is required to install the to install the this Java stack systems? What is required to install the Java stack system? So we require the, so list of softwares and hardware. Same, we have to discuss about the hardware requirements and software requirements we have to discuss here. So this is also, we can install Java stack systems also, we can install on the, sorry, we can install on the either any OS any database, we can install it here. So we can support any operating system is fine. Any DB is fine, right? Then coming to the list of software requirements. So coming to the software requirement side, if we talk about the softwares, what are the softwares we require? Same as like here SWPM we required installation purpose. Then exports, this is called the here Java exports are required here. Exports, Java exports, the only Java exports. Then kernel is common. Then SAP host agent. Then SAP host agent definitely. Then SAP JVM, and so then Java software components. Java software components. We have to download it here. So these are the softwares we required from the service marketplace to install the your Java stack systems here. Java stack systems, not the ABAP stacks. ABAP stack systems only SWPM, ABAP exports, kernel, host agent, that's it, right? For Java stack systems, these many softwares are required. These many softwares are required to install it here. Okay, so that is the Java stack systems to install. So this is also required the normally for ABAP stack systems. So here in the architecture wise, if I talk about here architecture wise, for ABAP stack systems, we will use the ABAP work process, right? Work process will take care of the your request and process. Here for Java stack systems in the Java level, we have the Java nodes. Nodes are there here. So ICM and nodes, ICM and nodes are there that will handle the your user request. Java stack systems that will handle the your user request here. Java process will handle the your node here. ICM and Java nodes will handle the your request here. Okay, so that is the very important for the Java stack systems here. Here we don't have any work process in the Java stack systems. So here we have the ICM. One server node will be available, which will handle the browser-based request, which will handle the browser-based request in the systems. All right. So hardware side, how much space we required means here the minimum 8 GB RAM, minimum 8 GB. Why? Because this does not require much one, same as like ABAP, minimum 8 GB also enough. So then, 250 GB free space, right? Then two virtual CPUs or one virtual CPU depends upon the two CPUs. So then, yeah, this much of requirement here. Why? Because for ABAP and Java stack system, you don't require much space, much RAM, much memory here. For only HANA, we required the more. For Java stack systems, ABAP stack systems, we don't require much one here, right? So that this enough. These are the well enough for this purpose here. 8 GB RAM minimum this month is required, right? So what is the Java architecture here? How do we log in? To log into the Java systems here, we will use the browser, web browser here. To log into the Java stack systems, we will use the browser here, browser. So we will use the browser here. Through browser, we will log into the Java systems here, right? So suppose if I talk about the architecture wise components, what are the things are available here? So here coming to the Java architecture, so let me show you how it will be. Here the user here is the user, it is the browser. Then in the server level we have this is the ICM. Then these are the server nodes are available, more than server nodes, which will handle the user request here. So user will log into the browser. User will open the browser. He will open the URL here. Then here ICM will pick up your request here. Then ICM will pick up your request. Then ICM will hand over to the available server nodes here. How we have the how many dialog work process, more work process, same way here it will handle to the here. So this is called the ICM. Here we have the ICM is there here. Here we have the Java nodes are there, server 0, server 1, server 2, like that we can deploy the n number of nodes, we can install it here. So we have the n number of nodes, we can install it here, right? So it's a Java application server is a central foundation for the entire software stack. ABAP or Java is the very important here. Very important here. So the technical component, if you see here, the technical component here, here we have the ICM and also Java server nodes available here. ICM will take care of the browser based like HTTP, HTTPS request and all the request here. Then here, then Java, so here server nodes will process the your Java request here. It will control the entire request and it monitor it here. That is the Java stack request here. So this is the normal. So how the request flow will happen in the Java level. So all those things here, right? All those things, how the request will happen. This is the way the request will be the processed at Java level here, right? So Java has various, it's Java means don't think like it's a coding part. It's a browser based application, small application here, web application, right? It has various instances here, various instances, various components, n number of components are available in the Java here. Same as like here also, they are the components for the Java. Suppose if I talk about the components wise, what are the components are available for Java systems here? Components, list of components for Java here. Same here also we have the ASCS. So ASCS means above stack SCS. Here JSCS, Java stack SCS, Java application server. So like that we have available here. So the components of the Java application server. So components. Suppose if I talk about the components. NetWeaver Java. So here the components wise ICM. So same ABAP. So same ABAP also we have the ICM, right? For Java also we have the ICM, but it will handle the different functionalities here. Different functionality here. So for here, so if I talk about here, so Java. So let me draw the diagram here. You will get the clear picture here. What is it here? Architecture, Java architecture of the Java systems here. So this is the one host. Think like this is a one of the host here. So here also here also we have the here also we have the for ABAP we have the ASCS, right? For Java also we have the SCS will be installed, message server NQ server here. That we will call it as the JSCS, Java SCS. So normally we will call it as the SCS here. So here we have the message server and NQ server here. This we will call it as the SCS. Normally it is a Java, right? So that's why JSCS, Java SCS here. Java System Central Services. Java System, we have the central services here. Then apart from that, we will get the application server instance here. Apart from that, we will get the application server instance. This is the application server instance here. In the application server instance, we have so ICM. We will get the ICM here, right? We will get the ICM, then ICM and server process nodes. Nodes are available here. That it depends how many nodes you can do that one. That is called the ICM. Okay, ICM. Then these are the server process. Server process means Java nodes or server process. Same naming convention. Okay, here it is available here. So ICM will send the request to the available work process here, right? So available work process here, the startup framework. These all are in the Java startup framework here. So this is the Java, this is the application server. This is the application server here. Java application server here. Java app server. Normally In the ABAP also we have the SCS and application server, ABAP application server, right? And Java also we have the Java application server, and so Java central services we have here, right? Then we have the database. So for Java also we have the database here, which will store the Java related things and everything here. So the request flow, how it will happen. So here this will connect to the message server, will connect to the ASCS definitely, right? Without ASCS instance, without central services, even Java will not be started. So here SCS is very important. The users will connect to the ICM, then they will connect to the server process. So whenever user log in from the browser, then definitely ICM will take care of your request, then will process your request and everything here, right? So then definitely this will connect to the database here, Java database here. This is the DB here. So here architecture wise, these are what are the components are available here. So here you can see Java server process. Then, so the startup framework, Java startup framework here, Java startup framework here, then ICM, then message server, then NQ server, NQ message server, NQ server, then followed by so then ICM application server, server process, message server, NQ server, and we have the database is common here. Here ICM will accept your HTTP or HTTP calls, will forward the request to the server process here, will forward the request to the via internet, accepted by the via internet, and forward to the here, right? So that is the architecture wise, this is the flow of the system, and these are the components we have in the system here, right? So this is about the architecture wise here. So how to download first of all? Here, how to download. For ABAP level, we have the dialog work process which will pick up the user request. For Java level, so for Java level here, so here server ICM will take care of your request when will hand over the request to the server process here. Server process has multiple threads. Each server process has there is a multiple threads. Those threads will handle the whatever the request, whatever the task you want to complete in SAP. So that will help by this server process and everything, that will help us, right? So that is the main thing here, right? So then how to download? First of all, how to download, how to install, all those things here, first of all, right? So the discussion is like how to download. Software side, it's a very less same as like ABAP, same softwares we have to download it same way. In the service marketplace, we have to go to the service marketplace, there we have to download the list of softwares here, right? So let's go to the service marketplace. Just let me so here let's open. Okay, so go to support pack and patches here. Okay, So installations, we are doing the installations, right? Go to the installations here. Then by alphabetical index, same, it's a NetWeaver, right? Suppose NetWeaver, we have the versions in the NetWeaver stack also. We have this is the NetWeaver, same as like above. We have the NetWeaver stack also. We have the versions here. So for the NetWeaver, initially they have released the NetWeaver 7.0. Then now it's a 7.1. So NetWeaver 7.2. So then NetWeaver 7.3. Then NetWeaver 7.3. Then EHP1. Then NetWeaver 7.4. Then SAP NetWeaver 7.5 is the latest version. This is the latest version in the Java level. In the Java level, so this is the latest version. 7.5 is the latest version here. Almost all customers are in the NetWeaver 7.5. Okay, so they are in this version here, NetWeaver 7.5 version here. Here we need to go to the N for NetWeaver. So SAP NetWeaver. So here what we have to do, go to the NetWeaver stack. So here installations, right? Installations. Then select your system, select your database, whatever the database, either SAP or HANA, whatever it may be. So then select it here. Here, so NetWeaver, so software components, installation exports. So then software components, right? So software components. This software components we have to download it. SAP Java, this one. Then so exports. This is the ABAP installation export. Okay. So that's it. Software components. Then exports we have downloaded. Then we need to download the SWPM as well. Go to the alphabetical index, SWPM. SWPM means yes for SWPM. So here we have the SL tool set here. We have the SL tool set. So here SL tool set here. So software entry by component here, right here. So SWPM, Software Provisioning Manager. Just select this one. Then you can download your SWPM version here. SWPM 1.0 version. You can download it here. SWPM. Okay. That is the SWPM for the Java stack installation here. Then exports, software components, exports. Then JVM. JVM also very important. Java Virtual Machine. So go to here. Then SAP JVM. We can download it here. So if you are unable to find out here you can type the SAP JVM, something like that. So SAP, so JVM, Java. So here you can see the SAP JVM here. We have the SAP JVM files are available here. You can download the SAP JVM, host agent, DB client, DB client we know, and host agent, SAP host agent, JVM. So these are the installation softwares here. These are the installation software here. SWPM, exports. Here only additional things are the Java software components, and JVM are the additional things here. These are the additional things which we have to download it from service marketplace, right? So based upon your version which we have to download, here, Java version here, right? So just click on this button, then JVM will be downloaded in the system. JVM will be downloaded here. So currently these are the downloads in progress here. So once this is completed, then using the SWPM tool, we can start the Java installations and everything here. Java installation and everything, we can start it. Once the installation is completed, Then we can start discussing about the administration tasks. Java administration tasks, we can discuss it about that one here. Okay, so that is the things here. So we'll wait for downloads complete here. Okay, it is downloading. We'll keep it running. So answer to your question, you mentioned like, can we install Java on the existing HANA DB by creating the, yes, we can do that one. Yeah, either the new database or existing DB by creating the new tenant, we can install it. It's a small software, but it contains the huge components here, components here. So normally there are the three layers in the Java consists of the three logical layers here. So one is the enterprise runtime, Java components and applications here. So enterprise runtime applications. Normally Java contains three main. If I go a little bit deep about the Java architecture, as Java, the three main logical layers here in the Java here. Three main the logical layers in the Java side here. One is the enterprise runtime. So Java E, we will call it as the Java enterprise. So enterprise runtime here, enterprise runtime here. So here, this layer is low level. This is the lower level here, subsystems that provides the loading the classes, cluster, communication, persistence of the data, configurations, all those things in the enterprise runtime here. The next logical layer is called the Java components here. Java system components here. Java system components here. Java system components here. This layer consists of interfaces, libraries, services. So all those things will be available in the Java service components here. The third one, which is very important, is called the applications here. In this layer, we have the applications here. This layer refer to the applications that we will deploy it and run and the Java here. So before the applications, we have two more layers, that is the system components and enterprise runtime applications. Enterprise runtime. So these are the three layers are available in Java logical layers here. So, but here applications will run on the framework. Applications will run on the applications will run based upon the Java components here. Application, why? Because uh, Java components will produce the services, interfaces, libraries, and everything. So applications will run on the components. All the components will based upon the enterprise applications here, enterprise runtime application. But you will get confused. Don't go for in deep one. Java, why? Because you don't require much one here for Java. So why? Because only few questions you may get it out. We have the ABAP stack and HANA administration. Then later we have the Java stack here, Java stack systems here. Java, they will ask you, do you have knowledge on the Java stack systems? Yes. So what type of knowledge? Java installations or Java monitoring, administration part, those things you can explain it here. It's a low priority, it's an optional task. So because you are already learning the ABAP stack and other ANA administration, that's fine. But this is the next level. This is the next level here, Java stack administration here. This will, we can complete in within 1 week, we can complete it. You don't require much in deep knowledge on this Java stack, but entire administration part we will discuss. Whatever the basis consultant we required, we will discuss about this one. Here Java stack also we have the Java monitoring, Java stop and start, Java installations, right? And how to log in, entire administration part, Java patching, how to do the Java patchings, all kind of things we can do it in the Java stack systems also here. Okay, so that is the one thing here. So once I think this is getting downloaded, it may take time. After that, we have to download SWPM softwares. SWPM is available here. Then Java components, JVM also available. Then we will install the Java, all those remaining things we can install it here. Okay, so that is the thing. Still it's not yet completed 50% as well. So there is a startup sequence for the Java systems as well. How to start the Java systems and what Java systems are very dangerous here. Java systems. Why? Because it may take very longer time to start the Java systems and everything here. So that's why what will happen? ABAP systems will start 5 to 10 minutes, but Java systems may take more than 15 minutes, 20 minutes will take it out sometimes. Why? Because it's all the applications, all the components should start first. That's why it may take longer time for Java systems here. Okay, may take very longer time. So what we will do here, what we will do it here. So what we will do, once this is completed, then tomorrow we'll start the Java installations. Once the installation is completed, then we'll start the administration part. Okay, so that's the thing. Then we'll keep downloading all those things. Once done, we will start the SWPM tool, then we will install the Java system. One Java system, we will install it. You all guys can log into that Java system and perform the administration tasks. Okay, I will tell you